To install an aquasonic meter in a socketed T on your pipe, start by cutting a length of pipe out of your installation that corresponds to the distance between the mating faces of the aquasonic T. Aquasonic meters should be installed with straight-line runs of at least 5 times the pipe diameter downstream of the meter and straight-line runs of at least 10 diameters upstream to prevent turbulence from impacting the meter's accuracy. Next, deburr the inner and outer edges of the cut pipe using a deburring tool or sandpaper. Clean and apply primer to the pipe ends and T-sockets. Then apply PVC cement to the pipe ends and T-sockets and attach the T to your pipe. Ensure the T is mounted at a 10 o'clock or 2 o'clock position on your pipe to prevent air bubbles from collecting on the meter's transducer faces. Hold the cemented parts together for at least 30 seconds to ensure they are properly bonded. Next, insert the aquasonic meter into the PVC T, taking care to align the flow indicator arrow on the insert with the direction of flow in your installation. Finally, insert the quick release pin to secure the insert to the T. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing FLOMEC.